Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about data migration. We will cover some topics like what is the pricing process, what we are including or not including in the data migration. Let's start with a basic introduction. Suppose you are already using some software and now you want to switch into eVital. Your first requirement will be you want your old data into eVital. So the data migration is process of transferring data like closing stock, sales, purchase, customer master, distributor master from your old software to eVital. Let's start with pricing. We have two type of migrations. First is master migration, second one is bill to bill migration. The master migration will cost you 3000 rupees plus GST and bill to bill migration will cost you 5000 rupees plus GST. Let's understand what is the difference between master migration and bill to bill migration. In master migration, we will migrate your whole inventory like batch, expiry, closing stock, MRP, PTR, HSN code, location, etc. Other than inventory, what you will get is customer master, distributor master and doctor master. Here, master means you can see your all customer, distributor and doctor in our listing page. We are not including outstanding credit or debit notes or ledgers of the customer and distributor. Let's move on to bill to bill migration. You will get all the features which is includes in master migration. Other than that, what you will get is your past sales, past purchase, past sales return and past purchase return. Past sales and purchase return is available in only few softwares. You can check out in our official website. The main purpose of bill to bill migration is to check which medicine was sold to which customer and which medicine was bought from which distributor. So please don't refer this bill to bill migration for your margin report because there might be mismatch calculation in your old software and eVital software of the margin. Let's discuss some other points of bill to bill migration. All the sales and purchase bills will be view only. You cannot modify or edit those bills. The payment method will be cash only in all migrated sales and purchase bills. As I already discussed, we do not migrate customer or distributor ledger or outstanding. We also don't migrate customer or distributor vouchers or credit or debit notes. During the migration, 50 to 60% medicine mapping will be done by the system and customer have to do a rest of the medicine mapping manually. Please do not refer the reports for the past migrated data in the master bill to bill migration because as I also already mentioned that there might be different calculation in old software and eVital. Please check your software list proper from our website that we are already migrating the software or not. If we are not migrating that software, please contact to data migration team. All of the above terms and condition will be shared with you the time of the payment. Let's move ahead with data migration process. Now customer have to choose between master migration or bill to bill migration according to their requirement. After that, they have to do a payment online from the plan section. After completing the payment, you will get one Calendly link, so you can book the slot where we can connect you for the data collection. So here it will look like this. Here whenever you are available for the data collection, you have to choose the date and time. Here you have to enter your contact person name. Here you have to enter your pharmacy name. Here you have to enter your pharmacy code, which is appear in right upper from your profile section. Here you have to enter the contact person mobile number. Here you have to select the migration type. For now, you completed the payment, so you have to select the staging migration. I will explain what is staging migration next and just schedule the event. At this time, our data team will be call you and collect the data for the staging migration. Let's understand what is the staging migration. Whatever time selected by the customer, we will call them on that time and collect the old software data and migrate the whole data in the eVitalRx. Now what customer have to do is just open the eVitalRx software and check whether data is proper migrated or not. If customer find any issues or identify any issues, then please contact the data migration team and they will fix that issue, so customer don't have to face this issue in the final migration. So let me show you how to check some basic data. Open the eVitalRx software, go to the inventory, because we have to check the whether products is closing stock or batch is proper or not. Now what you have to do is open your all software parallelly. Okay, so just search one product in your old software and eVitalRx software. Let's suppose this is the product. So open this same product in your old software and compare whether this stock is matched from your old software in eVitalRx or not. Whether it is quantity, expiry date, MRP, PTR, landing price, discount, HSN code, location, all things should be matched. If you found any difference in your old software and eVitalRx, please contact the data migration team and they will resolve that issue. Here you can also see in the ledger that this batches came from the data migration. Okay, so if you obtain bill to bill migration, you will get the sales and purchase bill also. So let's see how to check that sales and purchase bill. So for that, go to sales. Okay, so here you might confuse that how can I know that this is manual bill and this is bill from the data migration. So in this bill you can see one note where you can see that the imported from the data migration. So those bills came from the data migration. As I already mentioned that all the bills will be only in the cash. So you can see that payment method is cash. For the checking the sales bill, sales or purchase bill, open random bill. Same bill, open your old software and then compare the number of items, number batches, expiry, quantity, like that. Okay, whatever customer detail. As you can see, if you are trying to edit this bill, you cannot edit this bill, because I already mentioned that the migrated sales and purchase bill will be logged. You can't edit or modify those bills, so you can't modify those bills. Okay, so we saw that how to check the inventory and sales purchase data. Let's see some detailed summary of the data migration where you can find some insightful information. Okay, so here in inventory tab you can see that data migration option. Click on the data migration option. Here you can see the detailed summary of your data migration, that how many items migrated from your from your old software into eVitalRx, how many batches are there, how many items are pending and mapped. Mapped means what? That I already told you that some of them will be automatically mapped by the system. So here you can see that first row is for the old item and second one is the new item which is mapped by the system. You can also see that here. Okay, here is a pending item. Whatever item we system can't map, they will those items will be marked as a requested, so you have to map those items as a manually. Okay, so here you can map this item manually. Here you can see that how many sales and purchase migrated from your old software, and some insights like how many batches expired, which is not included here. Okay, so let me show you one useful file from here. You can click this file from here This is the detailed report of the item master, that how many total batches are there, how many batches which is expired, which is not included in eVitalRx, how many batches are non-positive, which is not included in eVitalRx. So here you can see lots of tabs in this report. Here is imported in eVital. So here what item will came, that all the item which is imported in eVital. Okay, so here you another tab is expired stock, which is not included. So these items will not include, will not migrated in eVitalRx. Similar with item with PTR and greater than MRP. So if in your old software PTR is greater than MRP, we will not import it in the eVitalRx. Here is some lots of tabs you can check out yourself. It is very useful for you to understand what will happen, what happened to your data, whether it is came or not. Okay, so here you can see a detail, very so much details in this migration summary. So please explore this page so you can get more insight from it. Okay, let's get back to our flow. As we saw in the demo, customer can check so many things in the staging migration, like batch, closing stock, expiry, sales, purchase, medicine mapping, how many items came from data migration from your old software, like that. If customer is completely satisfied with this data, they can proceed further. After that, you have to book the data collection slot for the final migration. So in the same Calendly link, you can book the final migration slot. Just choose the time where your customer is available, fill all the detail, and just select here final migration. At this time, data migration team will connect you and collect your latest data. After that, we will migrate that latest data into eVitalRx. It will be completed in very short time, so data mismatch is very low. Data mismatch will be very low. Okay, after final migration completed, our team will be notify the customer that final migration is completed. You can start the billing. After final migration, customer can start the billing, their live billing. But remember, if you found any issue after final migration, please do not start the billing, because after billing started, it will be very difficult to resolve some issues like stock mismatch, amount mismatch, like that. So please, if you found any issue in the data, please inform the data migration team and do not rush to start the billing. We will fix those issues and will take latest data and again migrate those data after fixing those issues. Okay, let's suppose customer is using the software which is new for us. So how you can find out that this software is new to us or not? So in the pricing page, you can see the list of softwares we are supporting. Let's say here so many softwares we are already supporting, and in each software you can also see that which which type of migration we are supporting. Let's suppose this HSN software we are supporting only master migration. We are not supporting sales and purchase yet. So okay, so please visit this website and see how many softwares we are already supporting. If the software is not in the list, please do not make the payment online. Okay, so for that we have to check the data first, and after that we can proceed further. So let me explain what is the procedure of the checking the new software data. Okay, so you just have to open the same calendar link. Here you have to fill all the detail, and here you just have to check the new software sample check and schedule that Calendly slot. At this time our team will connect the customer and collect the data from their old software. After collecting the data from the old software, our team will analyze and check the data whether we can do a migration or not. Usually it will require 2 or 3 days to checking or analyzing the data. It's depend upon the complexity of the data. Okay, so after that our data migration team will give you confirmation to the customer and salesperson also that we can do that migration or not. Only and only after giving the confirmation from the data migration team, collect the payment. Please do not collect the payment without confirmation of the data migration team, because otherwise if we can't do the migration, it will be inconvenience for the customer and salesperson also. Okay, so please follow this whole procedure for the data migration.